In today's video, I'll show you how to connect n8n to Todoist, so your tasks can trigger powerful automations that run completely on their own. It takes about a minute, and you only set it up once. Let's start from anywhere inside Todoist. First, press the letter O on your keyboard to open the menu, then the letter S to jump straight into your settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a list down the side with Account, General, Theme, and more. Go ahead and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make with the other tools you already use every day. At the top, you'll see three tabs: Installed, Browse, and Developer. Click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations, a long alphabetical list of apps that plug straight into Todoist. Scroll until you find n8n, then click it to open its page. n8n is an open-source automation platform, and this is where the two tools shake hands. On the page, click the green Connect button. A new window opens asking you to sign into your n8n account and approve the connection. Sign in, then approve. Todoist never sees your password. It only grants n8n permission to read and create the tasks your workflows need. Once it's linked, the possibilities really open up. You can build workflows where a new Todoist task fires off an email, updates a spreadsheet, or pings your team, all without you lifting a finger. n8n connects hundreds of apps, so Todoist becomes the trigger that sets everything else in motion. That's the whole setup. Connect it once, and your simple to-do list quietly turns into the control center for everything you automate. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.